Welcome to the topic on working with observables and RxJS operators. Observables and RxJS operators are fundamental concepts in Angular, providing a powerful way to handle asynchronous data streams and events. In this topic, we'll dive deep into working with observables and explore how to use RxJS operators to efficiently manipulate data and respond to events in Angular applications. 1. Introduction to observables. Observables are streams of data that can be observed over time. They are used extensively in Angular to manage asynchronous operations, such as handling HTTP requests, user interactions, and other asynchronous events. 2. Subscribing to observables. To receive data from an observable, we need to subscribe to it. Subscribing allows us to listen to the emitted values and perform actions whenever new data is available. 3. Using RxJS operators, RxJS provides a rich set of operators to transform, filter, and combine data from observables. Operators allow us to perform various operations on observable data streams and handle them in a more elegant and efficient manner. Handling with observables. Handling errors is crucial when working with observables. We can use the catcher operator to gracefully handle errors and continue the observable stream. 5. Combining observables. RxJS provides operators to combine multiple observables and work with their emitted data. Commonly used operators for combining observables include combine latest, merge, and fork join. Summary. Observables and RxJS operators are powerful tools for handling asynchronous data streams and events in Angular. We can subscribe to observables to listen for data, transform and filter data using various RxJS operators, handle errors gracefully, and even combine multiple observables to work with their emitted data. In this topic, we dove deep into working with observables and RxJS operators, empowering you with the knowledge to efficiently manage asynchronous tasks and build responsive and interactive Angular applications. As you continue your Angular journey, remember to leverage the power of observables and RxJS operators to create robust and dynamic user experiences.